kind of exhaust. It just has, well, not completely, but it has cats and an X pipe, and that's it. So anyways, I figured I would let you have a listen. So I guess first of all, I'll just get in the car. I'm just gonna go over to Randy's house actually. We're gonna have a late Christmas dinner kind of. It's the day after Christmas. Ooh, it's getting windy out here. The recycling bin's trying to get away. But we'll do some in-car stuff, and then afterwards I'll just afterwards I'll give you an example of the actual audio from behind the car. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching Faster and Louder. Today I'm gonna do a cheap mod. Oh god. I'm gonna do a cheap mod today. I've actually already started it. Much earlier I did a Mid-Muffler delete, which is also on the channel, you can check it out. But what I'm gonna do today is make my car louder. I've been doing a lot of things to make it faster, but it's still too quiet for me. So I'm gonna get rid of all the mufflers on this damn thing and kind of see where it's at. If it's too loud, or I'm like pissing off neighbors and stuff, I'll probably end up putting something in place of what where the resonators are right now. But yeah, I just want to have like more muscle car actual sound. This thing is like nice when you first start it up, it sounds great, but it's just too quiet. It gets warm and you can barely hear the damn thing idle. I like to do as much as I can by myself, just because it saves a lot of money, and I also kind of just like the idea of doing all my own work. It's a gratifying experience for me. But anything with exhaust, I'm not really experienced with that, and I don't really feel comfortable trying to weld things. So I figure, you know, it's really not that expensive to get exhaust work done. This should only cost me hopefully around $100 or something. You know, if I bought my own materials, it would obviously be cheaper, but I'd be saving like $60, and that's just not enough of a money savings for me to not bring it to a shop where I'm going to save a lot of time having them do it instead of me. So that's what I'm going to do. I do have a little bit of concern that this is going to be too loud, but at the same time, I kind of doubt it.
4 hours later.
Alright, so this is a really badass upgrade that I should have maybe considered earlier on. I did the Mid-Muffler delete and it made a good difference, but like this made way more difference than I ever thought it would have. Just getting rid of the resonators in the back. I mean, I already have Shorties. I have the JBA Shorty headers. I have the Mid-Muffler delete. Now I'm doing the resonator delete. I just got it done. So all I really have is the cats and the X pipe. That's it. That's all my exhaust is. The rest is just 2.5-inch tubing. Oh my god, it's just so much of a difference. It's fucking awesome. So without further ado, let's do a little startup here. This is with the windows up from the inside, obviously. Oh yeah, that growl though. Oh my god. Put down the windows. This is in the garage, so. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I'll just leave the windows down here for a second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing's just so so much more aggressive sounding. I mean, it's actually a little bit better than I expected, to be honest, because I heard a lot of people complain about like a tinny sound, or I don't know, just rasp. And I mean, there definitely is some raspiness. There was raspiness just with the mid-muffler deleted, but mostly at the higher RPM. So like off idle like that, just kind of slowly accelerating under moderate throttle, is deep and rumbles really damn good just for straight pipes. Like it doesn't sound like a truck like I was kind of worried it would. So super happy about that. This thing sounds so badass now. It actually sounds like a muscle car. Pretty excited about that. Alright, getting ready to get on the highway here. So here's a good test of acceleration. Just moderate probably. That's pretty much it. Just let me know what you guys think. Do you think that I should maybe put on a one-chamber muffler, or like a SLP loudmouth or something? Like, I mean, does it sound like shit? I think it sounds pretty good. That's just me. I grew up with classic muscle cars and stuff with headers and not much else, which is kind of what I'm doing with this. So maybe I'm way out of line thinking this is good sounding, but yeah, let me know if you like what we're doing. Please subscribe. Talk to you later, guys.